Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome for another video. From the head, from what you can see on the video, I know many of you can determine what I'm about to do looking at the image on the video. So, but I will go ahead and explain. I'm here to do a crochet wick, a crochet. So for now, I have to secure my wick on the domain using the pin. Make sure you pin all the way round. My domain is not really solid because the neck of the triple is missing somewhere. So I'm actually using something else to put underneath the head of the domain. And this is the hair, expression hair that I'm using to do my crochet wick. So right now I'm about to split the hair into 3 halves. Cut it in 3 halves. After cutting it in 3 halves, I will make sure I try to select, because selecting it is gonna help me. It's gonna help the hair look kind of equal. Because if it's not selected, it's not gonna look nice, presentable. Some areas of your wig will be short, some areas will be long. So when you select it, you try to make it look equal. So right now, I'm about to start selecting, like I told you. This is a select, this is what I call select. Some people call it pull out. Making all the hairs equal. And after selecting it, I brush it out to make it look smooth, to remove the detangling, then start out with my crochet. So this is the first time trying a crochet wig. First time, the first time. Instead, let me try it and see how it goes. Alright guys, don't hesitate to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share the video, tell a friend to tell a friend that I have uploaded a new video. Okay guys, I'm brushing it right now. Then after I'm done brushing it, start up on my crochet. And when you start up, make sure you hold your domain, the head with domain solid. You have to press onto the head, because if you do not press on the head, you might not pull out the crochet needle. You see, you gotta press on. It's not that easy it was not easy when I started. If I do not press on, the crochet needle won't come out. Some people double tie their crochet. I started up single tying my crochet, but at some point I began to double tie. Some areas I double tie, some areas I didn't. For some reason I can explain. So make sure your hair at the back has a medium size crochet. At the back, it's a medium. Then when you get to the top, the tip of your hair, the middle, all the way to the middle of your head, like at the front area, you go extra small. Then when you go to the very front, where there is this little lace, make it extremely, extremely, extremely small. Yeah, extra, 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 extra small. Estimate it. I can't explain how you can do it, but you can watch for my video and you can tell how you can manage to do yours. This is the very first time trying this wig crochet, guys. Very first time doing the curly wig crochet hairstyle. Right? Let's keep watching.
Happy is the perfect word to describe how I feel. When I'm with you, I'm at ease. I can let down my hair. We can be silly together. I don't have to pretend. With you, I'm happy just being myself. In your company, I'm never bored. We can have fun whether we're indoors or outdoors. I'm always content in your arms, no matter what life throws our way. As long as we're together, nothing can bring me down. With you by my side, I can take on the world. When I'm with you, I don't need anything else. Just your love is all I need to be happy. Without you, I'm incomplete. But with you, I'm finally complete. So as long as you're with me, I'll be happy.
Ride the beat when you rock the mic. Put your foot on the gas and eat a red light. Ride the beat when you rock the mic. Put your foot on the gas, make a left, go right. Ride the beat when you rock the mic. Put your foot on the gas and eat a red light. Ride the beat when you rock the mic. Put your foot on the gas, make a left, go right. Ride the beat.
Let me show you some things. I can make it bang. 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 You should come over here and let me show you some things. You should come over here. Let me show you some things. You should come over here and let me show you some things. I can make it bang. I can make it bang. I can make it bang. I can make it bang.
Say it loud, let me hear you say it. One more time, one more time. Say it loud, let me hear you say it. One more time, one more time. Say it loud, let me hear you say it. One more time, one more time. Say it again, say it again, say it again, say it again.
Now it's taking all night. Now it's taking all night. It boils my blood. It boils my blood. You feel the same? I can see it when you're smiling. You feel the same? I can see it when you're smiling.
All the time. Can't hold on to you no more. Can't hold on to you no more. Can't hold on to you no more.
So guys, I'm already at the front. So like I explained earlier, I went extremely small to crochet on this light brown and wig lace area. Do not mind, I put my wig one-sided, right? But then when I put it on, it's gonna be in the center. So I'm gonna be sewing this all the way. Then now I need to complete the back. Try to fit in some areas that are empty at the back, at the middle. So I'm about to round up. This is to show that I'm about to round up. So my domain is not stable. The tripod is not stable. The camera, everything's just. I need to keep fixing stuff, right? So I'm filling in those empty areas that which really need to be covered. So when you do yours, you just gotta use the common sense. Use your brain. No, and try to see how you could be smart about it. You can see how my front is all covered. I had to at least put something like a foundation at the middle. So right now I'm already braiding. I'm braiding so that I can just start warming my hair with hot water. Try to warm it or put in the hot water. After braiding, I'm gonna put in the hot water, put in the sink. I'm already like so that I get a good coils. Yeah, this is so much work. For those of you who do not know, this is so much work. So I said braid, I need to fix my camera, fix my domain, fix my triple. Yeah, my triple stand so that it doesn't fall. I'm done braiding, guys. This is it. Now it's time to put in hot water and do it from section to section, section to section. Then, as if that was not enough, I had to go put in the sink. That way it coils the entire hair. Just trying the best I can to coil my hair. Then after coiling it, I'll leave it to get dry. After a couple of hours, like the next day, I was able to come back on undo my hair, undo my the hair, then comb it, put oil. So this is what I was telling you. I have to make sure I put hot water all the way so that the hair gets coiled from the bottom to the tip. Every part of the hair needs to get coiled because it's a coiling crochet hairstyle. Coiling wick crochet hairstyle, guys. Alright, let's keep watching to the end of the video. Tell a friend to tell a friend, share, like, subscribe, share, like, subscribe. So now it's all done. You can see how it looks like. Give me thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, guys. This is a good experience. Good thing to experience. This is something to try for yourself. Wow, wow, wow. Look how beautiful. It looks beautiful. It looks beautiful, guys. I'm so happy that I was able to try this for the very first time. Guys, Goodbye. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Share, like, subscribe. Bye bye. I have to make the longer video so that you see how it looks like. Bye. See you in my next video. Alright. Bye bye. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. Bye.